Inside today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Hustlers University 2.0 affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you a very simple affiliate marketing strategy that you can use to promote Hustlers University and earn money online. I'm going to show you how to get your affiliate link, how to access the affiliate marketing program inside of Hustlers University, and then I'm going to show you how to set everything up, including your social accounts and all of your videos. And then I'm going to show you how to do this without ever having to show your face. All of this is going to be covered step by step inside this video. If you get any kind of value from this video whatsoever, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more content on how to make money online. And without further ado, let's jump into today's method. First things first, if you haven't joined Hustlers University yet, go ahead and check out the link down below this video. This is going to be my landing page for Hustlers University, and I'm going to help you guys out because not only do you get access to Hustlers University, if you scroll down on this page, you're going to see that I'm actually offering 3 complete bonus courses to anyone who decides to purchase Hustlers University from the link below this video. I'm going to give you access to bonus number 1, which is affiliate equation. So that's a full 25 video course that teaches you everything you need to know about social media affiliate marketing. And secondly, I'm going to give you free access to Print That Profits, which is over 6 hours of print-on-demand content of another course that I've also created. And lastly, Twitter Affiliate Masterclass, where I take you guys through how to do Twitter affiliate marketing step by step, and I break everything down in simple videos that you can consume in under 5 hours, and that's going to show you how to do Twitter affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in any of these bonuses, go ahead and check out Hustlers University down below. Once you get inside Hustlers University, you're going to see the Start Here section that has a bunch of different videos that teaches you all about Hustlers University and how to use the Discord channel. But if you want to access your unique affiliate link inside of Hustlers University, what you need to do is head over and message the account manager bot, and just message the bot !affiliate, and you will get your affiliate link. And this is exactly what it looks like when you're getting your affiliate link. As you can see, I messaged the HU2 account manager bot, just !affiliate, and they sent me over my affiliate sale link, and it's that easy. Now, I've only been promoting Hustlers University for about a week, and I've already been able to get 13 referrals and $263 in earnings just from using this method that I'm about to show you inside of this video. So this is proof that this method does work, and you can earn with affiliate marketing by promoting Hustlers University in the way I'm about to show you. Now, after you get your affiliate link, the HU2 bot is going to go ahead and send you over a access link to the HU affiliate program. And this is where you're going to be able to learn affiliate marketing from the teachers inside of Hustlers University, as well as access things like the affiliate announcements or the HU2 wins, or even the affiliate wins, where everybody is commenting and sending snapshots of all their different earnings that they are getting by just promoting Hustlers University. And the majority of these people are doing the exact thing that I'm about to show you in this video. So it really does work. As you can see here, somebody just made $1,000 this week, another $1,800, another $2,300, another $11,000 on July 4th. So many opportunities are inside of this Hustlers University affiliate program. So once you get access to your affiliate link and access to the program here, make sure to jump inside and take a look at all the helpful information that is given inside of this Discord. Now, the method that we're going to be using in order to make money with Hustlers University affiliate marketing is TikTok with a landing page, and that's all you need to do in order to make money with this method. You just need to create a TikTok page just like this one right here called mentality.tate, where you just repost a bunch of different videos of either people talking about Hustlers University or just Andrew Tate himself talking about different things like money. And once you have that TikTok page, then what we're going to be doing is building a Beacons page that looks a little bit like this. And as you can see, this page right here is actually promoting really well for a lot of different people. All it is just a simple join here button, some information about Hustlers University, and then some snapshot images of people getting results inside of the Discord. And this really does work well for a lot of people, and I've actually followed this myself. So I'm going to show you how to build this page step by step. But once you have both the TikTok and the Beacons page created, then all you have to do is just plug in your affiliate link and start repurposing these videos of Andrew Tate talking about money. So first things first, let's go ahead and create our landing page on beacons.ai. So go ahead and just sign up for a free account on Beacons, and let's go ahead and start building our landing page. When you are signing up for Beacons, make sure to choose a username that relates to Hustlers University. I'm going to go ahead and use HU2 Discord for my username, but you can come up with whatever you want as long as it relates to Hustlers University and that program. Then you just go ahead and hit continue. All right, now that you're inside of Beacons, let's go ahead and customize this to make it look like a good landing page for Hustlers University. So the first thing we want to do is customize our background and our theme. So click on menu and go down to customize your design. And then we want to go ahead and change this to a color. So I want to make sure that this is a black color. So I went ahead and chose black for both of my colors. That way it looks uniformed and we're all ready to go when it comes to that design. Now I want to just go ahead and change up the font to make it a little bit more like a marketing page. So let's go down here and let's take a look at some of these different fonts. So I like to keep it simple. So I went ahead and just chose 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗥, and that's going to be my font for my Beacons page. So now we are all good when it comes to designing our page. Now let's go ahead and just take a look at the different elements of this page and make it into a good landing page for Hustlers University. First things first is you want to change the header image to make it look like Hustlers University. I went ahead and found this image on the internet and I just downloaded the image and uploaded it as my header, and it looks great and we're all set when it comes to the header image. Now let's go ahead and just add a heading. So I'm going to call this Hustlers University. Now, if you scroll all the way down, you can go ahead and just add your TikTok link here if you would like. I'm going to go ahead and leave it blank, but you can add your TikTok username right here and it'll appear right underneath the title of the page. Now, what we want to do is just add a video at the top of our page explaining Hustlers University, just like you saw on this account right here. So go ahead and click on add block, and then we want to click on video. And now we want to find our video URL for Hustlers University. All you have to do is just enter Hustlers University intro into YouTube and search for that, and it's going to be this first video that pops up here that has 186,000 views. Just click on that video, open it up, and then we want to share that video. We want to grab that link. Then paste that link over back on Beacons and hit save. Then we can drag that video to the top right beneath our header, and that's going to open up our page with a video explaining Hustlers University. Now go ahead and just open up the link section and let's add our affiliate link to this Beacons page. So go ahead and just delete whatever is on here. So I'm just going to delete this. Once you've either deleted those other links or turned the display off, now it's time to add our affiliate link. So go ahead and just click add new link to bottom, drag that to the top, and we want to call this join Hustlers University. Then just go ahead and paste in your affiliate link. So now that we've added our link, we can make it stand out a little bit more by just turning on link shadow and link outline at the bottom, and that's going to allow your link to stand out on Beacons. Now we can see after they have posted their link on this other Beacons page, they actually have some information explaining Hustlers University. So we're going to go ahead and do that with our account as well. In order to add text, go ahead and just add another block to your Beacons account. And we want to make sure that this block is a text block. So click on text, and now we are going to add a title. So we're just going to call this Hustlers University. I went ahead and I just copied and pasted all of the content from that other Beacons page and added it to my own here. And as you can see, it looks pretty much the same as that other Beacons account. So now we have our link and we have all the information about Hustlers University. Now it's time to add some screenshots as testimonials to get people to buy even more. You can find all those screenshots inside of the HU2 wins section, and all you have to do is just take screenshots of these wins inside of the wins section, and you can use those as testimonials on your Beacons page. So what we have to do is just head back over to the page section, add a new block, and this time we want to use an image block. So click on image, and then we're going to go ahead and upload an image. I have a few screenshots from the Discord that I'm going to go ahead and upload to this Beacons page. And now that I've uploaded a testimonial, you can see that it appears just like this on the Beacons page, and it looks great. So after you've added one image, you can actually just go back to the home section and then add another block, and you can keep adding images of testimonials to your Beacons page in order to get people to buy from you. So as you can see, it's really easy to create a high converting Beacons page using information from Hustlers University. So my page is basically almost finished. I have the video, I have the title, I have my affiliate link here, I have all the information about Hustlers University, and then I have testimonials. So that's all you need to add to your page in order to start getting clicks and ultimately affiliate sales with Hustlers University. Make sure to copy your link to your Beacons page and have that readily available, because that's going to go inside of your TikTok so you can direct your audience to the bio. Now, when it comes to actually creating this content or finding this content to add to your TikTok pages, what you need to do is either you can use Instagram and TikTok and find different videos and download those videos, or you can go inside of the Discord and use the hashtag Tate Library, and that's going to give you hundreds, if not thousands of small video clips that you can use and download to create simple videos that you can upload to TikTok. So first off, you can actually just download these videos. So if I click on one of these videos here, I could just pause this and I could download this video by copying this link and heading over to Snaptic and just pasting in this link here and clicking on the download button. It'll take a few minutes, but then you can just download that TikTok and it will be without the watermark, so you can use it on your own TikTok page. Maybe you could change it up a little bit or combine it with other clips to make it your own content, but that's one way to find content for your TikTok pages. And then the other way is to use the Tate Library. You will find the Tate Library inside of the HU Affiliate Program section. So what you have to do is just scroll down and you can see here it's with the library books. It's called the Tate Library. It's a Google Drive that has a bunch of different folders of all these clips that you can use that have Andrew Tate talking about different things. So all you have to do is just click on the Tate Library video catalog. Once you open up the video catalog, then you can just search for whatever hashtag you want to use on TikTok. So I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to go ahead and hit Command F, and I'm going to type in hashtag money because I want clips that are all about money. Then I hit enter, and as you can see, it highlights every single time the word money is used on this video catalog. So I see here that I have 638 clips that mention the word money inside of them. So this is a huge resource when it comes to affiliate marketing, because all you have to do is just click on one of these clips, download it, chop it up a little bit, and then add it to TikTok. So if we wanted to do that, I could just click on this Google Drive right here, and that's going to give me the snippet where he's talking about money. Then I could go ahead and just download this 1-minute clip, and then I could chop it up and use it on TikTok. So let me just go ahead and show you how to do that. Go ahead and open up canva.com and type in TikTok, and we want to use the blank TikTok video template because that's going to allow us to customize it in the way that we want to. So after I've done that, now I'm going to go ahead and just drag and drop that video onto Canva. So I can actually just drag and drop any of these clips from over here, and then I can just edit them so they look good on this TikTok template. So I'm going to go ahead and just stretch out this video because I want it to fit on this template. So just keep on stretching it. And then I want to slide it over because we only care about the Andrew Tate character. So just drag him over here, center it up, and then now you have a video of him talking, as you can see here. And we can edit it by putting maybe subtitles on it, or we can just leave it blank and just upload that to TikTok. So that's how easy it is to do this method. So I could just download this video, upload it to TikTok, and you can do this, say 3 times a day, just adding these simple TikTok videos from the Tate Library, and then you'll start getting views, you'll start getting followers, and ultimately clicks and sales on your Hustlers University affiliate link. So now if you want to join Hustlers University and get access to my 3 bonus courses, go ahead and check out the link down below this video. You could actually watch my full in-depth review of Hustlers University on this page. You can check out the bonuses, and you can check out all the different testimonials and information about Hustlers University from this page. It's all there. So if you want to join and get access to those bonuses, go ahead and check out the link down below this video. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing from me, watch the videos that are coming up on the screen now. Like this video, subscribe to the channel if you want more content on affiliate marketing and how to make money online. My name's David, and I will see you guys inside of my next video.